Join me today as I create a breathtaking icy tree that shimmers with frosty elegance. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode in Christmas 2024 vlogs. And today I'm in the room that I'm calling our snow globe room, and I'm going to transform this 9.5 foot slim tree into a icy masterpiece. So come along with me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add these garland pieces into the tree to make it look a little bit more fuller. I've taken pieces of garland, cut them up into smaller pieces, and I've spray painted them white lightly and a little bit of flocking as well. So that'll give the tree a kind of a different look right away. Okay, so here we are at the point where I've inserted those pieces of garland into the tree, as well as added more lights onto the tree. You can see it's way more full with lights, and I've added about 300 twinkling lights as well because I want to give it that mystical look. I mean, come on, that's what it's all about, right? We want to be mesmerized and we want to be transported back to our childhood memories. So what better way than some soft twinkling lights on this already beautiful tree? You know, I always say my grandmother would always see the tree with just the lights on and she'd say, okay, that's enough now. Don't put anything else on. It looks good. So sometimes she was right, but in this case, I think it gets a little bit better once I put the decor on. The first thing I'm going to put on are these giant snowflakes that look like they're crystal when actually they're plastic. And we got a bunch of these from the Dollar Tree a few years back. I haven't seen them in a long time, but they are absolutely beautiful. I've randomly placed them in the tree and sticking out of the tree to make it look like it's snowing on the tree. Next in are white branches that I gathered branches from the yard and I spray painted them with regular white spray paint, and they will give it a very wintry kind of a look. And that's what it looks like with the snowflakes and the white branches so far. Okay, it's time to place some ornaments. So I'm going to start here with silver. I decided on a silver look, obviously, because I want to give it that icy snow globe kind of a look. And I have a large assortment of silver ornaments. I'm going to begin, like always, with the larger ones, but I'm not going to keep them only on the bottom. I'm going to distribute them throughout the tree. All right, so this is not typical of an icy tree, but it's a choice I've made because all these rooms kind of open up into each other, and I'm kind of keeping a consistency with some red. So I'm going to add a little red to the tree as well. All right, so we have these branches right here. Again, these are from the Dollar Tree, and they have tiny little snow droplets stuck on them. And once again, it gives that snowy kind of outdoorsy feeling, yet it doesn't give it a rustic look, as you'll see in the end. It just adds to the entire icy, snowy feel of the tree. The next thing that I think puts the tree over the top is using these crystal snowflakes along with these clear icicles. And what I've done with the snowflakes is I've suspended them from the white branches using nylon thread that I got in Walmart. So you can not see the thread and it just looks like the crystal snowflakes are snowing down along the outside of the tree. Let's take a look at how it came out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to come back. I'm still not done in this room. It doesn't look like a snow globe yet, but it's getting there. So hope you're enjoying this, and I'll be seeing you soon. Take care.